Hello, my name is Jacqueline Glab, and I am the owner and creator of Jackie's Charming Creations on Etsy.com. Ever since 2010, I have been creating. I do a variety of artwork and jewelry, mainly beading. I also incorporate handmade polymer clay pieces into my jewelry as well, which you may see on my page quite a lot. I am seasonal, so if you see gingerbread, those correspond with winter. If you see pumpkins, those correspond with fall. If you see something out of season that may be on my shop page, be sure to snag those items up as quickly as you can. That way, when they're gone, you will have it if you want it, because I won't be posting those items again until the next season. I post regularly on Instagram and Facebook some of the behind the scenes and the things that you don't get to see just through Etsy. That way you understand how much time and effort I put into each creation, behind my creative process, and how I like to do things. My shop is not always open. If you favorite my shop, you'll stay up to date when I am open. I am currently a student at university, and I try to balance my time equally between school and Etsy. If you see something that you really like that's in my shop, I recommend that you purchase it as soon as possible, because those items typically sell out pretty quickly. I'm constantly studying and trying to get better with the mediums that I use. Because it's a work in progress and I am busy in my life, I try to do as much as I can to make all of my items at the highest quality that I possibly can. I have always had a passion for art, and that creativity has been something I've been able to bring to the world through Etsy being my creative outlet. If you would like a custom order or you want to request something from me, you can message me via Etsy conversation, or you can email jacquelineglab@gmail.com. I just want to say thank you to all of my supporters through the years. I know that I am not always posting things on Etsy, but it helps me create, and it helps me bring those items to market whenever you guys comment and tell me that I am doing a good job, that you do like what you see. I love all of you, and I hope to continue to bring you the things that I love to create, and I hope that you love them too.